Have you ever popped your hood or checked your boat's battery compartment and felt overwhelmed by the jumble of cables? Managing multiple accessories can turn your battery terminals into a chaotic mess that is not only hard to troubleshoot but also potentially unsafe if connections are loose. The challenge is finding a way to consolidate those grounds or positive leads without creating a bottleneck. You want a system that is robust enough to handle the current but simple enough to maintain. That is where high-capacity distribution blocks come into the conversation. One option currently getting attention is this M10-sized terminal block. It is designed specifically for power distribution in automotive or marine settings where you need a centralized, heavy-duty point to connect multiple high-gauge wires securely. What stands out here is the capacity. It is rated for up to 600 A, which is quite substantial for most standard vehicle upgrades. Whether you are running a high-end audio system, extra lighting, or marine electronics, this is built to handle the load without breaking a sweat. This block is compatible with 24V systems, making it quite versatile. Whether you are working on a standard passenger vehicle or a larger boat setup, the flexibility and voltage support is a key feature that helps simplify your hardware choices. The real benefit of using a block like this is the organization. Instead of having 5 different wires struggling for space on your battery post, you move them here. It makes future maintenance much easier because you can clearly see and reach every connection point. Of course, every electrical part has its limits. While 600A is high, you need to verify your system's actual draw. Also, consider the physical space you have available. This is a heavy-duty piece of equipment and requires a solid mounting surface to prevent vibration damage. Before you commit, check the diameter of your cables. The M10 studs are standard for larger ring terminals, but if you are working with very thin gauge wire, you might need to adapt your connectors. It is always better to plan your cable management before starting the install. Currently, this component is listed at $86.66, which is half of its original price. It is worth checking the current listing if you are in the market for a reliable power distribution hub, as the discount makes it a very competitive option for custom builds. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific layout and power needs. Don't rush into a purchase, take a moment to compare the specs against other options. If this fits your project's requirements, it could be a solid, tidy way to upgrade your electrical system.